So first update where I'm not in the car, but I just wanted to give you a quick run through of what I've done about the air conditioning, because I drove it the other day when it was really hot and the car wasn't really cooling, but I've been talking about it for a while, so I've already ordered off Amazon, in keeping with keeping the budget as low as possible, a kit that has a can of stop leak. Here it is. And that conditions all the seals, especially if the system's been empty for a while, which this one has possibly for years. And then it also includes a can of refrigerant that you top up with after doing a stop leak, if you suspect a leak. And it comes with a gauge to check the pressure, and you've got a connector for the low pressure port, and this is the bit that pierces the top of the can, so I've actually used that, you can see that. But to check the pressure, it's really easy. It comes with a set of instructions as well that tell you what to do depending on the pressure, and then how to refill it. It literally took, just to do the stop leak, it took probably about 10 minutes. And then I would have done the refrigerant top up as well, but it was late in the evening and I thought I'd do it the next day, but it's been raining ever since, so I'll probably do it whenever it stops raining. So that was $54.99, and because it includes this, if you then have to use another can of refrigerant or stop leak, they're under 20 quid each. So and it's a top-up can, so if it was completely empty you might need 2 or 3. But the thing that I've seen online and spoken to a few people is that some of them, where the compressor stopped working, and we know it stopped working because the system is empty and it's a failsafe. But a lot of people have been told, oh, well, it needs a rebuild, it needs this, it needs that, thousands of pounds. And what they've done is they've got this kit or got one of these and just topped it up and it started working, so they know it's not broken. And then they put the stop leak in, and some of them have found that it'll go a year. And once you've got this stuff, you know, you can use this stuff. But I wouldn't. If you can use this stuff and it stops leaking altogether, great. But if it's still leaking a little bit, I still think it's bad for the environment if it ends up leaking, so I wouldn't recommend just carrying on using it. But I would recommend is that give it a go just to top up, in which case you'll have air conditioning, it won't be leaking out into the atmosphere, and you won't be paying thousands of pounds. And it was so easy to do. You just check the pressure and that's it. So that was all. Anyone wants to know which particular kit I've bought, then just contact me, message me on YouTube, or send me a message on Anchor Gaia on Instagram. And yeah, I'm gonna do this, and if anything significant happens, I'll give you another